What's up? You know my name Farmer knows that Mr. Bean knows that this goes to all the people who've been discriminated about their gender, about who they, their orientation, or the fact that they may be HIV positive. You know, it'd be cool for you guys to be real about it, to be upfront about it, to accept it, and to take a stand against stigma. So people who say they can't have sex with people because they got HIV, either they say they say they're educated about it and talking about condom don't work, they're not educated. Because if that's the case, if condom don't work, then everybody be positive. Correct? Correct. So therefore, you guys, all you gotta do is wrap it up. If you want to be protective, if you think this person who positive or they say they're positive, and you really like that person, you feeling that person, or you trying to do porn with that person, all you have to do is wrap up. You'll be protective. Just don't fuck too hard and break the condom. And if you break the condom, you still be okay as long as that person not bleeding and you didn't nut inside that person. Okay? So get educated and get educated first and foremost, and do not inform us first and foremost for people who are positive, negative. Make sure you use your words correctly, because you might kill somebody, and that means that may person, yeah, that person might got weak minded, but if you was that person in that situation and devastated, and hear some hurtful words, and and all that person want is someone to reach out to them as a friend, of course they're gonna be hurt and devastated. Maybe commit suicide, just like all the other bullies and people commit suicide. But you know what? For people who like that, you know what? You got some friends, you got people who understand and care about you. So hit me up if you need help and talk. Fuck the other person. They uneducated. They stupid. They simple-minded. They need life. They need God. Get life. Get God. Take a stand. Peace. I'm out.